Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install AdMob in a Flutter app for US audiences, complete guide step by step clearly. To install AdMob in a Flutter app, start by opening your Flutter project in your preferred IDE. Ensure you have added the necessary dependencies in your pubspec.yaml file. Add essential Flutter plugins for AdMob. The required package is Google_mobile_ads. Save the changes to your pubspec.yaml file. Next, run flutter pubget in your terminal to fetch the new dependencies. Open your main Dart file, typically named main.dart. Import the Google_mobile_ads package at the top of your main.dart file. Before using AdMob, initialize it in the main function. Use widgets flutter binding.ensure initialized before initializing AdMob. Call mobileads.instance.initialize to set up the AdMob environment. Create a banner ad widget by defining a new class that extends stateless widget. In this new class, override the build method to return a banner ad. Configure the banner ad with your ad unit ID and size. Set the listener to handle events such as loading and errors. In your widget tree, use the ad widget and ensure it is displayed. Remember to dispose of the ad appropriately by overriding the dispose method. Test your ad implementation on a physical device or emulator. Make sure to use test ad units during development to avoid policy violations. Review the AdMob guidelines for any additional requirements or restrictions. Once you have verified everything works as expected, you can prepare for production. Update your ad unit ID with the actual ID from the AdMob dashboard. Finally, ensure that your app complies with AdMob policies before release. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.